Let's discuss about line charts. So a line chart in Excel is very useful when you have lots of data points and you want to show a periodic trend on how it's looking over the years, for example. So an example could be company sales over the past 20 years or daily transactional sales results, right, for the year. Or it could also be an interest rate evolution to see how it changes over time. Or for our specific example, it's going to be the population growth from the year 1900 all the way, if we scroll down, all the way to 2015, right? So we want to have a chart that's similar to this one, right? So that you can see that it's progressing up nicely, okay? So what we'll do is let's just delete this. Let's start on creating our line chart. So first things first is to select your table. I'll just press Control A, right, to have our table selected. Okay, and then let's go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Just go to all charts and just make sure that line is selected over here. Just go OK. Let's enlarge this a bit. And we can give this a title of Population. Okay, then just X this one and then go to Chart Tools, Design, and maybe select a different design over here. And now you can see the trajectory on where is it trending at the moment.